So when we have a recession, when we have a hyper volatile market, when it's usually happening either when the market is crashing or when market start like growing really fast, and that's when majority of retail investors are jumping in because they see it's a good opportunity to quickly get extra funds. However, FOMO traps exist, and that's when retail investors are feeling that they're gonna miss out. They're gonna miss out on the next opportunity, and instead of making wise and weighted decisions, they're just jumping in with funds to whatever. They see that, oh, this I don't know, this coin is dropping so fast, I'm gonna do 10x or 100x leverage position to short it. And that's when they get liquidated and lose their funds because they didn't analyze markets, they didn't do any research, they didn't try to understand. Same situation when you are already in a position, in a long-term position, and you see that market is crashing, and instead of trying to understand if you still have a time, for example, if you put money into, I don't know, let's say Bitcoin, and you know that you were putting money in the Bitcoin for a longer term. For example, I do a lot of long-term investments. Of course, I don't really have time for trading, and I used to do trading before. When I had time, it was pretty good. When I didn't have time, I started losing money because I just cannot pay attention to it. So I'm jumping in the position, and then when market is changing, I missing out an opportunity that I was trying to analyze, and I'm not analyzing properly because, again, I don't have time for it. And for majority of retail investors, it's the same case. They're just trying to jump in. And when they are in a long-term position, at some moment when you see that this coin is dropping crazy, and even if it's Bitcoin, they're panicking and they're liquidating their positions. And that's when the loss is occurring. So you just need to understand, if you're willing to see through the crisis and you still have money to pay for your daily life, you can just stay in a position and wait till it recovers if you believe it's going to recover. But you need to think about long term. FOMO also happens when you are scared and you see that, oh, there's some new like coin appearing, it might be a great opportunity to earn money. You're jumping on board. You see that all your friends are right now investing. I also want to invest. That's usually a red flag. If everyone is doing something on the market, that does mean it's good. It means that the whole market moving all their funds in one place, and then there will be correction. So you also need to understand that. And instead of thinking and making rapid decisions without any research, sit down, calm down, try to think, what is your goal? Is it a long-term investment? Is it storing your money for a long-term value? Or you don't have money to pay for your daily life and you do need to recover some funds. Try to understand what are you trying to achieve, and instead of rushing and trying to seize the next opportunity. There will be always an opportunity, but you need to understand it wisely instead of just jumping on whatever random stuff your friends